What's up, people? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can disable the live promotions on Kik. Welcome to How to Login. Let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Kik Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Play Store. Go ahead and click on your profile picture option, which you see on the top right hand corner of your screen. After you do so, scroll a bit down and you can find Chat Settings. Tap on Chat Settings and you can see the live promotions option. Right now it is disabled. To enable it or disable it, you can just go ahead and turn this button on or off according to your wish. And this way, you can easily turn on or turn off the live promotions option. It's quite easy and helpful because if you disable the live promotions, not many promotions will be shown to your page and it will be limited. So you can go ahead and go to Chat Settings and turn off or turn on the live promotions according to your wish. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.